Hi students, welcome back to next session of reflection of light at curved surfaces. And before we discuss about reflection of light at curved surfaces, and initially we're talking about properties of the image formed by the plane mirrors, means flat surfaced mirrors. Now, in the previous video, I discussed about laws of reflection of light, reflection definition, light definition, laws of reflection of light. Okay, now in this we'll be talking about properties of the image formed by the plane mirrors. Now, what is a plane mirror? A plane mirror is a mirror which is having a flat reflecting surface. Now, this is flat and this is a coated surface. This is coated surface. Okay, we are going to draw the normal line from point O and extending up to N. Okay, this is a normal line. What is normal line? An imaginary line which was drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface of any mirror is called as a normal line. I will write on the board. Please make sure to write on this. An imaginary line drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface of any type of mirror is called as a normal line. Okay, so the angle for normal line will be always very clearly done perpendicular. Normal line angle, this is a normal, for example, and normal line angle will be always 180 degrees, 90 degrees in case of any type of mirrors, whether it is a plane mirror or a curved mirror. Understood? For example, this is a curved mirror, this is a convex mirror, and this is a normal line. For example, it is perpendicular. If I draw the normal like this, it is angle here, it is 90 degrees, and here is also 90 degrees. If I draw like this, it is also 90 degrees, like that. In case of a concave mirror, I will explain about all these types of mirrors later. Okay, this is incident ray, reflected ray. For example, normal line will be always 90 degrees, like this. So whatever may be the type of the reflecting surface, okay, that is where it is a flat surface or a curved surface, the normal line will be, angle will be always 90 degrees only. Remember this, very important point to be remembered. Okay, so what is normal line? An imaginary line drawn perpendicular to the reflecting surface of any type of mirror, okay, is called as a normal line. Okay, I hope you understood what is the meaning of a normal. Next, in this particular topic, we are discussing about the properties of images formed by plane mirrors. Now, if you stand, for example, you are standing in front of a dressing table which is there in your house. Now, you can able to see your image in the dressing table. If you are standing in front of the dressing table, for example, okay, this is a dressing table, and here we are dressing table, and this is a plane mirror you consider. Okay, this is reflecting surface. This is reflecting surface. You know, this is coated surface, and in front of this you will be standing at a distance of 10 centimeter. For example, I'm saying this, or 10 meters you consider. No problem. You can consider as 10-meter distance. And for example, you are standing in front of this at a certain distance, nearly 10 meters. Now you are seeing your dressing style and everything in front by standing in front of this mirror. And if you stand in front of the mirror, the distance from the mirror to you is 10 meters. And image is also formed in the mirror at a distance of 10 meters only. Okay, almost same height. So if your height is, for example, if your height is 5.5 feet, image is also, here height is 5.5 feet, and your image height is also 5.5 feet, and your image will be in the mirror only. Remember all these points. This is a plane mirror to consider. It is a coated surface, that is generally silver coating we prefer. Okay, and next it is a reflecting surface. If you are standing at a distance of 10 meters from the mirror, and your image is going to form in the mirror. Okay, so the distance from the mirror to you is 10 meter for a understanding purpose, and the image distance is also inside the mirror at a distance of 10 meter only. Okay, and your height is 5.5 feet and image height is also 5.5 feet only. No increase or no decrease. And whatever the whatever the way you are standing, whether you are bending or standing erect or some other side you are bending, okay, in the same style only the image will be. So you have to write the properties based on this. Okay, first one is properties of the image formed by the mirrors. First property is, okay, the image so formed by the plane mirror is always virtual image. Sir, what is the meaning of a virtual image? It always forms virtual images, plane mirrors. Okay, virtual image. What is the meaning of virtual images? The images which cannot be caught on the screen. The image, simple understanding, the images which cannot be caught on the screen are called as virtual images. Now, if you keep one screen like one paper or something, can you able to see your image in the paper? No. So, image will be always in the mirror only. So, the images formed by plane mirrors is always virtual images. Image will be formed in the mirror, not in front of the mirror or somewhere. Okay. Now, the height of the image is equal to height of the object, or height of the object is equal to height of the image. In this case, height of the object is equal to height of the image. Means your height of your height, that is your height, is equal to image height, yours image height. So height of the object is equal to height of the image. Next one is, okay, distance from the mirror to the object. The distance from the mirror to you is 10 meters, I told, and same distance will be there from the mirror to the image so formed in the mirror. So that is distance of the object, you, that is you are the object here. Okay, distance of the object is equal to distance of the image. Okay, next one is, it is always virtual, I told, and the image so formed will be always erect image. Okay, you are standing like this and the image is also like this only, it won't be in reverse way. So the image will be always erect. I told height of the object, height of the image, both are same. Distance of the object means distance from the mirror to you, and the distance from the mirror to the image so formed in the mirror is the same. Okay. Next one is, it always forms erect images. Okay, same size, same distance, erect images and virtual images. And you can also observe one more thing. The image so formed, will you observe in the plane mirror, is it undergoes lateral, okay, lateral inversion. I will be showing you that in the pictures provided when the class is going on. Okay, so lateral inversion means your left will look like a right, right will look like a left in the mirror. Understood? If you are eating something by standing in front of the mirror, okay, it may look like that you are eating with the left hand when you observe in the mirror. Okay, so it is what called as a lateral inversion. Understood? If you keep a letter L in front of the mirror, it looks in reverse way. That is like this lateral inversion. L is actually like this, but it undergoes lateral inversion. The left will look like right, right will look like a left in the mirror. This is what called as a lateral inversion. Understood? And remaining it always follows laws of reflection of light. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, normal line will lie, and reflection, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, normal line will lie on the same plane. All the principles are as it is. Okay, all the rules and the laws are same as it is. So these are the properties of the images formed by the plane mirror. Okay, first property is, okay, it always forms, plane mirrors always forms virtual images. Okay, we won't be discussing about curved mirrors. We won't be discussing about any other concave mirror or convex mirror. Just we are discussing about the image formed by plane mirror only. Okay, so images will be formed will be always virtual. Okay, and they are always erect, and the image undergo lateral inversion. Okay, height of the object is equal to height of the image, and distance from the mirror to the object is equal to distance from the mirror to the image. Understood? And one more, which is very very important, and magnification. So we not yet discussed. We are dealing with the concepts, but please remember this point. In next upcoming classes, I will explain about magnification. The magnification of the image formed by the plane mirror is always equal to +1. Sir, what is the meaning of this, sir? +1. For simple understanding purpose. Okay, magnification formula, m is equal to height of the image by height of the object. I will explain about this one clearly in the coming videos. Okay, so height of the image, height of the object is how much? For understanding purpose, I told you 5.5. Okay, I will erase this, and I will do that cancellation process, everything. Here I will do. Now, magnification of the image formed by the plane mirror is always +1, I am telling you. We are having magnification formula, m is equal to height of the image by height of the object. For example, height of the object is 5.5 feet, and image height also 5.5. Then if I use that formula, magnification M means magnification, height of the image is 5.5, height of the object is also 5.5. 5.5 gets cancelled, it is equal to 1. Is it clear? So the magnification produced by, okay, by plane mirrors, okay, magnification of the image produced by the plane mirrors is always a +1. Remember this, very very important, okay, in exam point of view. Okay, so I hope you all understood my explanation related to the image formed by the plane mirrors. And please, if you like this explanation, please like, share and comment. Okay, thank you.